Grab the direct current distribution box. Place the direct current distribution box in the indicated. Open the box. Grab the drill. Drill the screws. Grab the maximum power point tracking device. Drill the screws. Grab the electric circuit breaker. Place the electric circuit breaker in the indicated location. Grab the drill. Drill the screws. Grab the alternating current distribution box. Place the alternating current distribution box in the indicated location. Open the box. Grab the drill. Drill the screws. Grab the wire ends and put them in the indicated. After the panels are connected, the first panel's negative terminal and the last panel's positive terminal become the main output wires of the whole string. These two wires are then brought together and connected directly to the DCSPD, which protects the system from voltage spikes. Now the MPPT is connected to the breaker. From the breaker, one positive wire and two negative wires come out, which connects back to the breaker and also to the inverter's positive input. Now the inverter is connected to the ACSPD. Last but not least, the ACSPD is connected to the building. All done.